In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock a Slack channel. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive into the steps to lock a channel in your Slack workspace. Locking a channel can help maintain your team's focus by creating a private space for sensitive conversations among select members. This feature is particularly useful when you want to limit access to certain discussions or projects. First, you'll need to launch your Slack workspace and locate the specific channel you wish to lock. I recommend using the sidebar to quickly navigate through your channels until you find the right one. Once you've opened the channel, you'll notice the channel name displayed in the upper left corner of the screen. Now, take a moment to click on that channel name. This will open a details window on the right side of your screen, providing you with options to manage the channel settings. Here, you'll see some information about the channel, as well as options for customization. Within this details window, you'll want to navigate to the Settings tab. Clicking on this will reveal more options related to that specific channel, including its permissions and visibility settings. Next, it's time to change the channel from public to private. To do this, look for an option that says Change to a Private Channel. Once you find that, click on it, and a confirmation pop-up might appear, asking you to verify your decision. Make sure you understand that this action will restrict access to the channel, so ensure only the intended members are included. After you confirm, click the Change to Private button. Once you do this, you'll notice a little padlock icon appear next to your channel name. This is the unmistakable sign that you've successfully locked that channel down. However, it's important to note that not everyone has permission to make this change. Only members with administrator or workspace owner permissions can convert a public channel to private. If you don't see the option to change it, you may need to reach out to your admin for assistance. They can enable this feature for you or make the change on your behalf. And that's it. You've successfully locked a channel in Slack. Now, discussions held within this channel will only be visible to the members you invite. This can significantly help with confidentiality and focused conversations. Remember, if you have any questions or if there's something else you'd like me to cover in future videos, feel free to let me know in the comments below. Your feedback helps me create content that's valuable and relevant for you. As we wrap up today's tutorial, I hope you now feel more comfortable managing your Slack channels, especially when it comes to keeping certain discussions private. If you found these steps easy to follow, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'd love for you to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.